Taking a look at today's energy markets, let's check in on WTI crude futures as they're experiencing some heavy selling pressure today. Crude futures down just shy of 4% currently, right around the 70.88 level, coming off the intraday lows of 70.13, but still realizing heavy selling pressure here today on heavy volume in reaction to the Saudi Arabia price cuts announced here over the last couple of days. I think it was actually yesterday that was formally announced. And that's having a big impact in the markets, with Saudi Arabia cutting prices on crude to basically two-year lows. And with that price cut, we're seeing a ripple across the crude space, and also indications that OPEC Plus may not necessarily be adhering to the production cuts, the announced production cuts that have been in place over the last couple of, well, basically the last year. And that's another factor as to the pricing structure within the crude space and having a significant impact here in today's price action. Now, looking at WTI, now moving back down towards that $70 level. That's the low end of the recent range, which also corresponds with the 6-month lows. So we're pushing back down towards basically better than half-year lows at these levels. And we're also seeing it impact RBOB, with RBOB moving lower back down towards that $2 level, which is nearing the recent lows, but that corresponds with almost 2-year lows. Now, the one caveat today would be natural gas, which is higher on the day and experiencing some higher price action for the better part of the last week and a half or so, moving now up to 1.5-month highs and just shy of that $3 level with today's price action. So crude under pressure, WTI moving back down towards the recent lows, which correspond with 6-month lows, with natural gas moving higher, trading back towards a 1.5-month high.